Hi, in this Affinity Publisher tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create bullet points on your text. So let's start out by grabbing the Frame Text tool, and we'll just draw out our text box where we're going to put our text. And I'll just make my font a little bit bigger so we can see what's going on. Just type something. And I am now going to go up to Text, List, and Bullet. And now we have our bullet point. And now I am going to just type in my bullet points. I can hit return after each line, and I continue to get bullet points until I turn it back off. So now I want to stop my bullet points. We'll go to text, list, and there's a check mark next to bullet. We'll just click it again, and now we can continue. There is another way that you can access this same feature. And so I'm going to highlight all my bullet points here. And up in the contextual toolbar, when you are on the frame text tool, over here, we've got a little bulleted list icon. And right now it's a little bit darker than the rest, so I know it's turned on. And I can just click that, and now my bullet points are gone. Conversely, you can also, if you have a list like this, you can just highlight what you want to make a bullet point and also go to this same button when you're in your frame text tool. Click it, and everything you had selected will turn into a bullet point. So that's pretty simple and straightforward. So thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you would like to see more tutorials like this.